How are you, everybody? This is Ahmed. I'm installing an Android screen on my 328 BMW, and after I installed it, that was in no sounds at all. I checked all the wire harness, all the connection, and pretty much everything was good. And here, check this out. So what I did, I went to the car setting, and I went to factory, and I went to radio antenna, which is that right here, which is that little box in there that you connect into the head unit. That box, you have to activate it because it was actually off. And then after I turn it on, and I went there to check my radio, and I got radio. Okay,